In this video, I'll show you how to increase icon and text size in Windows. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guidance and content like this. If you'd love to do this, click on your start bar right. Once I've clicked on your start bar, click on the settings. And right here in the settings, you're going to click on the display, right? So using the system currently, click on the display. Once you have clicked on the display, you're going to be showed this option, right? Now look here, change the size of text, apps and other items. So if you want to change the size of icons, right, this is where you're going to click. You can come on here and select anyone I want to select, right? So if I click on 175, you'd see everything has just increased, right? If I click on 200, you can see the size of my icons and everything, right? So if I click on this 150 to its previous display, yeah, so it's going to take me back to 150. So I think it went back, right? So I'm going to just still go back there. So yeah, click on display. So you can see it's currently in the 150. Then if you want to increase the size of text, just click on this. Once I've clicked on this, you're going to see text size, right? Right now, you can adjust this till this, right? Look at it. You can see it. You can see it, right? So once you're done, you're going to just click on this apply, right? So I don't think I'm going to do that because this is a tutorial video. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.